Okay guys, just a quick recap on yesterday's video to show you how it played out. Listen guys, I'm trying to teach you, how to use trend lines to help you to make better trades. Look, if you give someone a fish, they can eat for a day. You teach someone how to fish, they can eat for a lifetime. That's what I try to do on Twitter. I update charts as price moves along, and I make posts about it. My Twitter is private. You have to be subscribed to my charts to access that. But if you'll notice, this right here was a strong resistance. You can see we kept repeatedly hitting it. 1, 2. We did push above it briefly. We came down. Notice that we were riding up this trend line here. As soon as we broke it, trajectory changed. We broke past this. We had a drop. We pushed back up. Previous resistance is still resistance. Notice we got rejected right here. So look, if we drop, your next first support level on the way down is right here. And I'll go and give you this price target right here, 18,571. You drop below that, your next support level is down here. So all your support levels are marked off, and I teach you how to use these trend lines. Right here, you can see, this is a pattern we're in. This is the top. You see we drop here, we dropped here. Notice once we drop past this point, guys, nobody would have known about this support level unless you had access to my charts. It's already been mapped out, so you know this was a pattern you're in inside of a larger pattern. As soon as we drop from this point, we drop to right here and push back up. So your resistance right now is 19,030, well, let's say 19,046. So you push up to this point, you'll probably get rejected. But take note, right here, matches up completely with the target I gave you yesterday, right here, this support level. Notice we pushed up. This is where, look, this is a video I put up yesterday, December 7th. I said, look, if we push up, this is your resistance for possibly a pivot ring to push us down. This is your first target. If we break that, this is where I'm buying in. This does not have to hold, but this is where I expect to catch a bounce, just like I did back here, 1, 2, 3 times. I'll put a link up to this video now if you want to watch it. Keep in mind, guys, if you want to win one of those 2 silver equal coins, you need to leave a comment on this video. Not the one I'm currently recording, but the one I'm showing right now. And again, before we go into this, guys, all these charts are available on the website. The website's altcoincrypto.com. The link's in the description, pinned this first comment. Look, I got Bitcoin charts. These are different exchanges. These are BTC related. These are for swing trading. Let's see, these are all the altcoin charts available. Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, Litecoin, XRP, XLM, Neo, Cardano, Chainlink, Tezos, BSV, Comp, VeChain, EOS, Polkadot, OMG, YFI, DeFi, Libra, Binance Coin. Let's see, I have stocks. Dow Jones, Apple, Google, gold miners, QQQ, high yield bonds, Tesla, Amazon, Facebook, Cleveland Cliffs, stock. Maxter Technologies, US Dollar Index, Boeing, JP Morgan, Lockheed Martin, S&P 500, oil, euro, Nvidia, Netflix, natural gas, Nifty 500, Russell, Nasdaq, Pfizer, PayPal, BioNTech. Guys, there's a lot of charts. I have gold, silver, palladium, copper, but again, guys, and I have tutorials. Now, the very first tutorial I teach is called Trend Line Analysis. It teaches you how I use trend lines, which is the basis of how I create all my charts. The next tutorial is how to create Fib circles from trend lines, and then this is how I create my charts, which is based off of this and this. Once you understand this, then you can create these charts, all the charts I'm showing you now. So if you want to check all that stuff out, just click on subscribe. You can see the different options. But guys, again, I go through and I show you, look, this is our support, we hit it. This is likely our resistance. It's amazing how all this matches up. This 200 exponential moving average just matches up perfectly with this ring. This is point to get rejected and come down. I go through, this is where we hit it to the tick. And this is where we're showing, look, we broke down from this point. This was our support. If we come down, this is likely a support level. At the same time, on the 3 hour, the MACD is kind of vertical, so it's possible there's a lot more downside. Obviously, on the 30-minute, there's a little room to push up, which it did, but the MACD on the 3 hour is showing much more downside. So what I'm saying is just be patient, see what happens. But again, check out this video. The link will be in the description. It's yesterday's video. But again, what I'm waiting to see what happens if we get this ends up being resistance to push us down lower. If we do break this point, this is my buy-in target down here, just like last time, guys. Just like last time. I bought here, and I bought here. Rode it up. I got stopped out somewhere around here. So, I kind of waited it out. I did play a bounce, but You know, I'm ready for this thing to come down to buy at some major support levels. And again, you know, this is your resistance. Pay attention. 19,062. If we break the support, there are support levels on this chart, guys. Your next support is here to catch a bounce. Your next support level below is here. And that actually matches up with this target on this ring here. Let's see, Ethereum, you know, yesterday's video, so look, if you push up, this is your target right here. We tested it 1 time, 2 times. If we come down, this is your support, this is your resistance. Link, if you remember, this is the chart here. I said, guys, if we break this ring, I said your support was this this yellow ring. Bam, hit it to the tick, pushed up. This is the Wi-Fi chart. I said, look, if we come down, this is your target. This ring, we hit it to the tick, guys. Look at that, right to the tick. So again, if you have access to these charts, you know, of $39 a month, access altcoins, bitcoins, and precious metals charts, you've already made your money back. So again, if you want to sign up to it, it's up to you guys. But pay attention to the Dow. Bitcoin usually follows the stock market. The Dow's down, Nasdaq down, and S&P's down. Typically, Bitcoin's going to follow it. So be careful if you're longing. But guys, that's pretty much it. Just want to show you how this played out and what I'm expecting. Obviously, if we push above this, we can go higher. I'm waiting to see if this ring is resistance to push us lower. And again, if you want to access these charts, the website's altcoincrypto.com. Link will be in the description. And if you follow me on Twitter, just make sure that you email me. I'll verify you have an account, and then I'll accept your request. Guys, that's it. Until the next video, trade safe.